Hello everybody and welcome. Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video I'm going to show you two different ways to comment single line and multiple lines of code. Or well rather, two ways to comment your code, one of which being single line comments and one of which being multi-line comments. Okay, so let's get right into it. Let's say I have some text I want to comment out. We're going to call this text function, subscribe my channel. Okay, and let's say I don't want this to run. See, this is it's multiple lines, so probably not best to use the double slash. So what we're going to do here is /star, and then that begins comment out, but we have to tell it where to stop, so we do //. And what that does is it comments from here to here. Now, let's say in this function, we have something like, I don't know, browser.messagebox, sub my channel, which is just a function that's gonna, every time it's ran, just a little warning box. If we want to comment out just that line of code, bam, that's it. Double slash, just like you're probably used to with PHP or, I don't know, I think Python as well. So there you have it. The two different ways are // and then, or no, /* and // or double comment. This is commented, sub my channel. And guess what, guys? Please subscribe my channel. I'm speedrunning to 1,000. And if you get anything out of this, please hit the like button. Thank you so much. Have a great day.